Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be solving the problem count nodes of a linked list. So the question says given a single linked list, the task is to find the length of the linked list where the length is defined as the number of nodes in the linked list. So you're given a linked list over here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just need to count the length of the linked list. So how many nodes are present in that linked list? So here in this question, as you can see, there are 5 nodes present. So the length of it is 5. Though it's a pretty straightforward question. The only thing you have to do is just traverse through the list, use a for loop or a while loop or anything, just traverse to the end of the loop, count the length of it, and just return it over here. Okay, so let's just solve the problem. So file head underscore node, let's just keep a counter over here equal to 0, score node count plus equal 1, and head underscore node is equal to head underscore node dot next. Cool. What this would do is we just traverse from head underscore node to the next value of it. It's not, I think it's not next, it's tail actually. So we'll just traverse to the tail of it. Basically, we have one just pointing to two. We'll jump on every iteration, we'll just increment the count. Here we'll get one. Then we just jump to the tail of this one, which is two. All right, then we again check with this. We increment the counter, then we jump here, then we increment, we jump here, we increment, we jump here. And over here, when we reach a point where we don't have any nodes, we just come out of the loop and return the counter, which is going to be 5 in our case. Return count. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, so we're getting an error. Node object does not have any attribute. No, does not have any attribute. Tail. Okay, so I know what this is then. Is this next? Let's just run this. Yeah, it is next. Okay, so let's submit the code. Yeah, it's getting submitted. So yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. Do let me in the comments what kind of videos you want next on channel. Also, let me know what I can do better to improve my teaching skills for you guys. And do check out my podcast. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.